So we have a little visitor. He was standing outside of Ulta, just like right in the doorway where you would step on him. I think Felicia almost did step on him.
Is it blurry?
No. Hi, little dude. Aww.
We're gonna take him back to the house and put him in my yard. Because I don't feel like he'd have a chance over here. I feel like he would die over here. Because there aren't trees and stuff apart from what's next to us.
Oh, he's going to sleep.
I hope he's not dying.
Well, let's hope not.
Poor guy. Mike would be like, what are you doing? I wonder if he's hurt. It's hard to tell. Look at his chest, it's yellow. See that?
He might be dying.
Well, I mean, who wants to die on a sidewalk outside of Ulta besides us? We'll just take him back to the house and put him in the backyard. He looks like a bird that would be in somebody's cage, not outside.
We'll see what Elizabeth says. She's like a bird watcher person.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that one time there was like a baby turkey, wild turkey outside my apartment. I sent it to her. I was like, what is this? She's like, oh, it's a turkey. Oh, he's like, oh, I just realized that I am not outside. What is happening?
It's alright, guy. He's like, where are we going, lady? His mouth keeps coming open. Should I put him on my phone? Or on my leg?
Maybe on your leg. Aww. See, he's okay. You alright, buddy? This is the weirdest video ever. He's so pretty. I think he was just scared and maybe hungry. We should see if we can find him a worm. Should I dig in this mud out here and see if I can find him a worm?
No. That would be funny. Excuse me, ma'am, what are you doing? You just gonna hang out on my steering wheel?
His mouth is open.
He's like, I quite enjoy the climate in here. It's not 4,000 degrees.
Hi, buddy. Oh my god, I have to take a picture with my phone. Oh, she's writing back. Hang on.